In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix no network error in CapCut. Let's say you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, but CapCut still says you have no network or internet connection. First off, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Just toggle your Wi-Fi on and off and refresh your CapCut by closing all the tabs and relaunch the application once again. The other step is to simply head to your CapCut. On your profile page, you want to tap onto the Settings gear icon and scroll to Feedback and About. Head to Clear Cache and then tap on Confirm to clear app cache. Refresh, and eventually your CapCut will work once again. Now the third step. If step 1 and 2 didn't work, simply force stop and reset CapCut. Head to your phone settings. Select General and then head to iPhone Storage. Search for the CapCut application and then head to it. You want to tap on Offload App and confirm by clicking on Offload App. This doesn't erase your data, but rather fixes the app glitches such as captions not generating and among others. You just want to tap on Reinstall to access your CapCut once again. Now, if all the steps didn't work for you, this might be due to regional restrictions. Simply connect to any VPN and then open your CapCut. Well, that's how easy it is to fix no network error on CapCut. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.